This is a 2000 F150 4.6. I don't have the thing on there right now.
Gmail.
The V8, and I'm locating the inertia switch because I don't think I'm having a gas issue. So I wanted to check the inertia switch, and it's located down here. You have to take this off, and then it's right there. If it's popped up, you got to push that down, but mine wasn't popped. I was hoping that was going to be the issue, but that gets triggered. It's down there, and it'll cut off your fuel pump. So always check that. F150.